Here we come to the elevators at the West Campus Library at Texas A&M University in College Station, Texas. These elevators are still original Montgomery from 1993. I finally get to ride this. Oh, here's the indicator. I didn't see that. Unfortunately, you can't hear the motor over the fan. Here's your phone. I'm gonna get the other elevator car. I'm willing to bet the other car has that fan as well. Place the LEDs on there. Oh, this one's got a fan too. You can't really hear the motor all over that fan. Oh. It's just like the other one. This one's got the red LED fixtures while the other one has white. There it goes, and that's it.